Chicken, fish, meat, and vegetables cooked to perfection fast. Helps tenderize economical cuts of meat. Strong heavy gauge aluminum for quick, even heating. Works on regular and smooth top ranges. Pressure regulator maintains the proper cooking pressure automatically. Cover lock indicator shows when there is pressure inside the cooker and prevents the cover from being opened until pressure is safely reduced. Helper handle for ease of handling. Also includes a special rack for cooking several foods at once with no intermingling of flavors. Extended 12-year limited warranty. Pressure cooking preserves flavors and nutrients and even tenderizes lean cuts of meat. The smart choice for healthy, flavorful meals, fast and easy. Foods cook 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods, saving time, energy, and money. Includes easy-to-follow instructions and delicious recipes. Chicken, fish, meat, vegetables, and even desserts cooked to perfection fast. Helps tenderize economical cuts of meat. Strong, heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heating. Suitable for use on regular and smooth top ranges. Pressure regulator maintains the proper cooking pressure automatically. Cover lock indicator shows if there is pressure inside the cooker. Special rack included for cooking several foods at once with no intermingling of flavors. Helper handle for ease of handling. Fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the sealing ring and overpressure plug removed. Extended 12-year limited warranty. Do not fill pressure cooker over 2/3 full. For soup, grains, and dry beans and peas which expand during cooking, do not fill cooker over half full. Overfilling may cause a risk of clogging the vent pipe and developing excess pressure. Top reviews from the United States. Best ROI yet. I have a 25-year-old 4 quarts aluminum Presto pressure cooker. I decided to upgrade to a larger 6 quarts in 2013. This new 6 quarts Presto from Amazon.ca offers a much sturdier design than my older Presto, primarily because of gauge of aluminum at its base. The locking mechanism is vastly better than my older unit and is remarkably simple and effective. The new unit's lid locks in place with virtually no effort at all and the seal doesn't leak, unlike the older Presto. Handles are secured using large solid aluminum rivets, unlike the steel ones used in the older Presto, i.e., they won't rust. This product gives me a big bang for my buck. Amazon had it delivered to my door at no cost in only 2 days. Wow.